Alright guys, welcome to part 2. So, like last time, we're gonna try getting the fighter jet, which we're gonna do it right now.
젠장.
Which we gotta try getting it, right? Try
이런
already.
젠장.
Try. Go try. Go try.
조심해. 뭐야?
Go. Please don't tell me there's anybody. Good, clear. God. Already was a panic attack. I'm dodging most of the bullets. That's actually impressive to me. My little pretty princess. Wah wah. Pretty little princess. Wah wah. Go, go, go. We are going to try stealing as much fighter jets as we can. First one. Oh my god. Don't! Five! Man. Not one. God. We have to do again. God. Bro's fighting for his act. Bro fighting for his real life. That would be so honest. Bro's basically. Ah, any little scared of little princess? I think he is. I would be honest. Ah! Owie! I got something important more to do than you, dumbass. Hey, hey, hey! Bro! Why? I'm 180.
What the hell is that?
Dude, how does he get parked there? Daily. God. Oh! Escape danger just in time. $7,000, bro. Alright, I fucked up, bro. I quit. Bro, I'll be good at that one freaking new server, bro. He won't just stop griefing. Please. Just won't stop griefing. What does Rockstar Editor do? I'll have to reset this. What? 13 in the morning. There you go. Okay. My dad is usually awake at these times. Alright guys, I'm a becoming girl. Yo. Free mode. My god. This is how it feels with these shoes. It's hard to walk on it. God. This is what a dress to impress girl would wear. And I'm a boy. Nobody plays dress to impress as a boy. I'll be honest. Even bro, my friend Drake plays dress to impress, bro. Those are girls game, dumbass. Alright, let's go. Can't give a fuck. I'm gonna pay all of that later. Alright, new server. Fresh new game. Be a cop. Ow. I know, dumbass.
Oh, no.
Of course. They just made things way harder for me, bro. Bro, can I stop getting messages, please? Oh, bro's chasing me. Please take off the music. That'll just make it worse. I'm gonna be so for real. Go inside the military. Let's go. Oh, there's no one. Wait, no! I'm low. I'm dead. Redo, bro. Redo. Just because go 2 stars just makes it actually worse, bro. Go back on the road. We are not giving up until we take the fighter jet. We might have to do another. We might have to do a part 3. See if we get this fighter jet. Hey, slow down.
Holy shit. Help! Ah, damn.
Please don't put stars on me, bro.
Crap.
I'm generally begging you, bro. Lead. What did it mean? Is that the pistol? Yeah. Oh shoot. God! I'm already dead! But I just literally just got here, bro. I'll have to go through the other way, I guess. Too crowded over there. They don't recognize me. No. Need a car. I need a fast car. What if those wouldn't cut it? Wait, is that a fast car? No. We're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. That was kind of fast.
Oh my god! Ah! Damn it!
Wait, that was fast. What was the effect? No, that was way faster. I need your car, sir. I'll give it back, I promise. I promise I'll give it back. Bro, if you don't, I'm gonna make it pass. And cap, Capricorn Dap. We did not make it in. No stars yet. That's good. Dude, if we had stars right now, dude, being on the ground with five stars is actually bad. You'll just you'll surrender no matter what. You fly plane, you will make it. Yes, we in! We in! We made it in. No. Why are you flipping over now? Why does it have to be now? Fighter jets are located over here. The coast. Where's our fighter jet? Oh, there it is. I'm not doing anything to stop me. They're not gonna do anything about it. No part 3. No part 3. No part 3. Take it off. Yes! We're not done yet. We're not done yet. We gotta like take off the second. Ugh! No! We gotta redo it. I messed up the timing so bad. Do you know what there's? I was supposed to dodge it. I'll do some bullshit. Bro. Which way? That's the fastest. Yeah, better just do a part 3. See y'all in a